Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you the surprising and exciting story of my family's catfish farm. So on the misty morning of November 4th, 2022, the Nigerian presidency dropped an unprecedented and shocking news. Farm or die hungry. Stop complaining. My husband was shocked and got worried. If the presidency can utter such strong words, he got thinking and considered options like cassava farming, garri production, catfish farming, and poultry business. He flew down to Owerri, the capital of Imo State, where he met with a man called Onyose. Onyose is a very hardworking and focused catfish farmer and businessman. He supplied all the catfish that was used during my father-in-law's burial. My husband also consulted his Facebook friend, a professional fish farmer, a PhD holder, Dr. Nwa Ejara. The idea was birthed on an available piece of land that can accommodate up to 5 fish ponds with an estimate of about 1,000 fish per pond. The same piece of land also has a space to accommodate a small poultry. This is how VIP Farms started. I have to mention here that we have no formal experience in catfish and poultry farming. We rely on professionals and consultants in the field. Most importantly, we are determined to make it work with God being our helper. After a few months of planning and building, I asked my husband to go and check out the farm. These are his findings.
I want to show you all the farms and what we have there, how far we have gone with our catfish. If you look around, we have like the tarpaulins where you rear the catfish. We have 5 tarpaulin. Each of the tarpaulin can take about 1,000 catfish. Each of them can take about 1,000 catfish. Let's see what is below the water. If you look around, the fishes are quietly moving around, but you can wake them up. You can wake them up with feed. Let's see what happens. Let's check out this side of the fish. When I have the big sizes. Let's see what we have here. Then apart from this is pond number 4. Let's go to the last pond, which is pond number 5, and see what we have there. We're expecting another 1,000 fishes inside the pond. Let's go and wake it up. Pond number 5. So, I'm going to feed the chicken. I want to go and feed them.
Yes.
And this is my first time of feeding. Let's see how it goes. And I hope I'm going to have a very beautiful welcome from the chicken.
Okay, good luck.
Let me keep this one.
Use the big one. Wait. Let put your shake.
Go now.
Put your shake. How many? The man here, ba.
So let me get
another one.
Okay. The chicken is looking good. Yeah? Come on. Join me. Somewhere here, right?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Hey! I'll go.